Oi, what happened to this pan? Its Teflon coating has gone off. Oh, I have heard Teflon coating is bad for your health, especially if cooking at high temperatures. Oh, is it? What should I do then? Cast iron tawa have become really famous these days. You can try that one. But why is it called a cast iron tawa? Let's find out where the name cast iron came from. It came from a manufacturing technology called casting. Hello, I'm Aditya and welcome to the show. Iron casting have 6 steps. Step number 1, pattern creation. The cast iron process begins with the pattern creation, where skilled craftsmen design a precise and a detailed blueprint of the final product. The pattern is usually made from wood, metal, or other materials and is slightly larger than the intended product to compensate for the iron natural shrinkage after cooling. Creating the perfect pattern is a crucial step as it determines the accuracy and quality of the end product. Step number 2, the mold preparation. Once the pattern is ready, the next step is mold preparation. Molds are created using specialized molding sand which is mixed with a bonding agent to hold its shape. This molding sand is packed tightly around the pattern inside a box, creating a negative impression of the desired product. In some cases, additional cores made of sand are inserted into the mold to create internal cavities or complex shapes within the casting. Step number 3 is melting the iron. With the mold ready, it's time to melt the iron. The process usually involves using pig iron, a form of iron with high carbon content, to facilitate the melting process. The pig iron is placed in a furnace where it is heated to its melting point, and at extreme high temperatures, the molten iron can reach temperatures exceeding 2000 degrees Fahrenheit or 1100 degrees Celsius. Step number 4 is pouring the molten iron into the mold. Once the iron has reached its liquid state, it is transferred into a ladle, which acts as a reservoir for controlled pouring. With great skill and precision, the workers carefully pour the molten iron into the prepared mold. Proper pouring techniques are essential to avoid defects such as air pockets or incomplete fills in the casting. Now, step number 5, solidification and shakeout. As the molten iron cools inside the mold, it gradually solidifies and takes the shape of the cavity. The cooling time varies depending on the size and complexity of the casting. Once the iron has solidified, the mold is broken away in a process known as shakeout. This reveals the newly cast product, still glowing with heat from the exothermic solidification process. Now, step number 6, finishing after the shakeout. The cast iron products may require finishing touches. Skilled workers use various techniques like grinding, cutting, or machining to remove any rough edges or the excess material from the casting. This step ensures that the final product meets the required specifications and achieve the desired surface finish. So basically, this is how a cast iron tawa is made through this casting process. The question is why the cast iron tawa usually have two kinds of surfaces, one a little rough and one a highly finished surface. Because the rough surface is the one which was in contact with the molding sand, and this finished surface is due to the secondary machining operation. I hope you have learned something new today. If you have, please like, share and subscribe. Until next time. Till that time, Namaste.